This is one of the good things and the bad things. Technology is like always been like that. It's like two-edged sword. It helps us a lot. Like, I'm doing this kind of webinar dahil because of technology. Kung walang internet, kung walang Zoom, walang webinar, walang ganitong technology, how can I have this kind of business? No. But at the same time, again, two-edged sword. It's a very powerful distraction. Ding, 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 notification. And the funny thing with the notification is, parang suddenly there's an urge for you to take, ano yung notify na yun? Ay, nako, Mobile Legend lang naman pala, right? Because it feeds, I forgot what I call it, yung endorphin daw natin is like you're eating chocolate. I can't remember, I'm not into that market. Pero it feels good eh, parang meron siyang instant gratification. Like, oh, what is it? Ding, ding, notify, ding, ding. Refresh ang Facebook. Kahit na nakita niya na lahat ng timeline niya, refresh, tingnan niya kung mayroong bagong post yung friends niya, TikTok pa more, right? I am not saying na huwag kayong mag-TikTok, huwag kayong mag-Facebook, huwag kayong mag-Mobile Legend. If that makes you happy, go. But do not make that an excuse for not having results. Adult na kayo eh. Hindi ako nanay mo, hindi ako ang tatay mo, hindi ako ang lolo mo at lola mo na mahal ka. You have to wake up. Some kids, they were raised because mahal na mahal sila ng magulang nila. Unfortunately, hanggang sa adult na sila, tinitreat pa rin silang parang baby. Ngayong malaki na sila, bonjing, walang lakas. That is the problem. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.